So this is the last sushi cake what we'll be showcasing, and some of them we are giving you as bonus also. So here I'm using a mix of these, both the rice. I have some pink also and some white rice also, which I'm putting in the base. Just going to put this in the base and using some plain white rice also along with this. So both half and half I'm doing, just trying to give a different color variation. Just going to press this in the base. So always wet your hands whenever you're working with sushi. Every video you'll be hearing this because it's a very important step. So keep wetting your hands or else your rice will going to literally be sticking to you. So here everything is gone in. Now here I'm using some salmon. You can use some I'm using avocado. You can use salmon. So just I'm placing some avocados. You can use some salmon also. Just placing them on the sides. Press them properly. And here in between, I'll be just adding some mangoes, which I've just chopped and kept. So these are the mangoes. What will go, because it's a mango sushi. So just adding some nice mangoes. It's a seasonal sushi. Whenever mango is in season, you can try this recipe. Just putting it here in the center. And then over this, we'll be using some cream cheese. So again, I'm using some dollops of cream cheese here. And we'll be placing second layer of rice on the top. Just making a mix of both the colors. So this is a mix of pink and white, but I'm just going to put it here. And here it is. So again the same way, I'll be pressing it with water. So here now, after pressing this completely, just allow it to go in the fridge for some time and then start demolding this, because I'm doing it right away. So never do it at the same time. Allow it to stay in the fridge for some time before you start other layers. So just, yes, here we go. So over this, I'm just going to be using some nori sheets, nori bits on the top. Normal plain nori bits on the top goes here. Just going to spread them here. You want to mix some spice powder, that's a personal choice, but it's not recommended for this one.